You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to look at BTC in the longer time, Ethereum and Shiba US. I'll also take a look at Porto. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Hit that like button and don't forget to turn the bell notification. Also leave a like for this video. Now on BTC USDT, at this point we see the market rise from here to the upside, retrace again, retrace, and I am also very optimistic that Bitcoin is going to make another move, retrace again, maybe this time a bear market. So if you look at it from the longer term perspective, you will discover this with this very trend line. It's a very strong trend line here. Market move from this area down to this area, so we see the correction within this area, and then a move again from here. The market is correcting, and then we possibly see the markets go back up again. We want to see from the Elliott wave perspective, this could be the first wave, second, third, fourth, and then the fifth wave before we see a very strong move to the downside. So this is very important, guys. And from the long-term perspective, I am still very much bullish on BTC right now from the 1-day chart. And if I go back to the 4-hour chart, something very important there, guys. So if you look at the 4-hour chart very well, we've been doing analysis around this area on the 4-hour chart, considering this very strong support level, and we'll be talking about this strong support level that if it is broken to the downside, then we are going to see the markets go back down in this area. So when you're looking at resistance trend line, you also have to understand that support and resistance horizontal line are very strong when compared to resistance and support trend line in this very case. So yeah, right now what I'm expecting from BTC USDT is the market to go up from this very region, except we see a breakdown from this very area right here of support level, this very point at this point right here. If we see a breakout on this trend line to the downside, then possibly market is going to go back down. But if we see the market break this trend line and cross this very major resistance level at this very point, then we're going to see the market right back up very fast, guys. So what we are expecting right now to happen in the market is an end of this very retracement that is happening in the market right now. Once the retracement ends, then we're going to see the market right back up very fast. ETH USDT here, guys, I am still also very much bullish on ETH. This is a major impulse, then retracement, and then we see a fair swing here. Like I said, the market will go back up and see a breakout on this hour trend line. At this point, we are still in this very major correction right now on Ethereum. This very major support level is very important, guys. You must have to take this support level into consideration, because if this support level is broken, then that will send Ethereum back right down to this level of $37,000 and $36,000 at this point. So what I am expecting today for Ethereum is, if you see the market break out on this resistance level, this major resistance level right here that was support in the past at this point, then the market sharply to the upside. Like we see in this very case, market impulse, then retracement, have a failed swing like I talked about, and the market will not create a new high higher than the previous high. That means that the buyers that were moving the market from here, they were not strong to break this resistance level. So that also means that the sellers are still in the market to move the market to the downside. So if you see the market break this resistance, that means market is going to go up, and if it break this trend line back down, the market is going to go back down into this support level. A breakout of this support level to the downside will send the market back to $37,000 to $36,000. So that is what I am expecting in the next few days. Shiba USDT here, guys, we see this market move from here to this point, and the market go back right down. Then at this area, we are seeing the market coming back down with this sluggish candle movement to the downside. What we want to see the market right here is a breakout, significant breakout of this level, and the market will move sharply to this resistance level, which was support at this point and also support on this very area as well. So a breakout with a good candle on the daily chart will give us a nice sign to also take a buy position. Now, if you've taken a buy already within this area and this very zone, like I talked about in my previous video, there is no room to panic. The market is going to ride back fast. And I am beginning to see signs that Shiba is going to go up soon. So if you've not bought yet, wait for the market to give that very bullish sign before you take a trade on Shiba. So guys, one thing very important I want to point out on this Shiba chart is if you look at the way the market move up, it takes just 6 candles for the market to move sharply to the upside, but it's taking more than 20-day candles here for the market to go back to this very area as well. It also signifies that the bears are not that very aggressive, moving the market right down. So they are moving the market sluggishly to the downside, and we could potentially see the bulls entering the market and move it sharply back up. So on Shiba right here, get prepared for a massive move to the upside soon. On Porto USDT, guys, I talk about this very strong resistance level that if you see the market break this strong resistance level, it will be a good time to buy. But from what we are seeing right here, there is no breakout on this very chart right now. So you have to wait. I also talk about the markets have a potential of breaking right down, because this is what we see with fan token over the months now. So when fan token drops, sometimes they drop right down to their pre-sale price. So what you have to do, Porto, is to wait. We want to see volume, significant volume on the chart will give us a nice good buy entry. But right now, there is no significant volume on this chart. We are seeing the market going back down. Like I said earlier, I'm going to give this call on this channel. So on Porto, be patient. Market is going to go back down to give us a better price to buy on this very pair. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel. Check the channel for all that educational and informative content. And then if you've not registered on Binance, OKScrypto.com, please check the link in the description and do your registration right away. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.